Jack, why are you back there?
Not yet, but spoiler, but yeah, he's going to fight his parents.
Jack, look. You have your own box now. How much you want to make a bet he doesn't end up in that box with the garbage? Instead of in the box that I put out for you.
Always like one or two people every con.
What? Jack, you like your box? What? What are you doing, Jack?